Hello guys, and thanks for visiting our channel Ministryof3D. In this video we are going to see how to 3D model something and how to 3D print something on Geeetech A30 3D printer. So feel free to stay with us. Well, we are going to start right now. Here you can see our 3D model of a leveling knob for Geeetech A30. You can see that it is quite nice look. And now you are going to see how to 3D model something like this in SolidWorks software. You can use any other software if you want. So first we are going to make some sketch, some diameters. 60 diameter is outside and inside the diameter is 6. And now extruded boss base so we can have solid body. Now we are going to make some teeth. Diameter 10 millimeters and circular pattern at about 30 number. And yes, we have teeth here. Now we are going to make another diameter so we can adjust and make something smoother and nicer look. 41 and 20 or 18 millimeter diameter and extruded cut for 2 millimeters is nice and it's okay. Now we are going to make sketch or make some texting. A30 is okay, so we can make these leveling knobs more personal, adjusting height for 90 millimeters and choosing the right font. Impact is okay. Yep. Now we are adjusting width and this is okay. Now again extruded cut through all, and here you can see our leveling knob. On the other side we also have to make some adjustments with extruded cut for about 4 millimeters, and again we have to make another extruded cut for our metal leveling knob that came with our printer for about 1 millimeter. And yes, that's it. Now we just have to make another adjustment so the nice and so that we have our model look nicer. We have to make another fillet so we don't have these sharp edges, and again filleting of every tooth we have on our leveling knob. This job is a bit boring, but yes, you have to do this because after this your leveling knob will be just smooth and nicer finish. Almost done. We just want to finish and it is okay. You just have to save it like GA30 leveling knob and save it as STL file so you can import it in your 3D slicing software. We are using Cura, and right now we are importing that STL file in Cura, adjusting it on our build plate, and here on the right you can see our profile or our settings that we are printing with. Those are our settings that we made, and we feel pretty sure and secure with these settings. We get pretty nice prints. Turning ironing, so we have pretty nice and finish highest plate. Enabling jerk, lowering jerk, and yes, that is almost Okay, preparing to slice and slicing this 3D model and saving it to our removable drive, renaming it, and that's it. So now we are just putting our SD card or a drive and turning on our 3D printer Geeetech A30. Printing, choosing the right file and pressing print. Now adjusting build plate temperature to 60 degrees Celsius, and that will be okay. So now printer is alive and it is going to print our leveling knob. Here you can see printing the first layer or printing the support pattern. Now printing the first layer, and it is quite good. Very good. Close up view. Very nice. Another close up. And whoa! And it's almost done. Here you can see finished 3D model, and it is very good. First model not quite good. Second model again not quite good. Third model, yeah, ironing is very good. And fourth model without ironing, it is very good. Just adjusting those settings in Cura, you can came up with very good 3D model. Now we are just screwing this 3D printed leveling knob on our 3D printer. Round and round, turning, and yes, it is okay. Now control, leveling, manual level, and printer is alive again. Heated bed came up to our heating bed, and now just press 1, and now you just have to turn the leveling knob to adjust the distance between nozzle and heated bed, and it is okay. Now 2, and you have to do this for every other point, 3, 4, 5, and press OK. So with our leveling knob you can adjust your heated bed and nozzle or distance between them very easily. Now you can just print whatever you want with success. Thank you for visiting our channel, and you can like us, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and so on.